Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. It's just a simple and quick process. Just follow the video till the end. So first, let's open the Google app. Click the account icon, then click the arrow. Scroll down and click Add Account. Let's just wait about a second. So in this section, just click the Create Account button and choose between for personal work or for business. After that, you need to put your name to proceed, though last name is optional. I'm just making a random name here. Then click Next. In this section, you need to put your birthday and gender. Then after you're done, click Next. In this section, you need to choose or create your Gmail address. You can choose from this random generated address, and you can also create your own address in here. Click Next when you're done. After that, you need to create a password. To create a password, you have to include numbers, letters, and symbols to proceed. Just click Next when you're done. Just click Next here. And here, just scroll down and click I agree. In this section, if you want to go back quickly to your previous access like sites, you can turn on the synchronization by clicking this button, and if you don't want, just click this button. After that, you have now a Google account. If you find this video helpful, feel free to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.